the nature of our mind is this quality of knowing. If we didn't know, we would be unconscious. That pure consciousness behind the coming and going of the duality of our thinking mind. So if we just see that even for a moment, for a very short time, the sky, the clouds part, there's the sky, the clouds go back together, but now we know that the clouds are not the ultimate reality. That behind the clouds there is something else. And likewise, when we look into the mind, if even for a moment that opens up to the ultimate nature of our consciousness, then in that moment we know that we are also interconnected with everything.